Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to accept cryptocurrency as a payment method in Wix. This is a fantastic way to expand your payment options and cater to customers who prefer using digital currencies like Bitcoin or Ethereum. If you want to get started on Wix, you can click on the link in the description down below. Let's dive right in. First, head over to the Wix website and log into your Wix account. Once you're logged in and viewing your Wix dashboard, look at the left navigation menu and click on Site and Mobile App. When you do this, a drop-down selection will appear with several options. From here, go ahead and click on Website. This takes you into the specific settings for your website where you'll be making the necessary changes. Now you'll see the website settings page displayed. Take a moment to verify that this is indeed the website where you want to add cryptocurrency as a payment option. This step is important because if you manage multiple sites, you want to ensure you're working on the correct one. Double-checking now saves you from having to redo everything later. From this page, locate the Design Site button, which you'll typically find on the top part of your screen, usually beside a pen icon. Click on this button to proceed. This will open up the editor interface where you can make deeper customizations to your site. You'll now be directed to the Wix website editor screen. Here, locate the settings dashboard by clicking on My Business on the left navigation menu. Once you're in this section, look for the option named Dashboard and click on it. This is where you'll access the core business settings that control how payments and transactions are handled on your site. From the dashboard, scroll down to locate the settings at the bottom part of your screen. To make navigation easier, use the search bar and type in currency. Look for the result labeled language and region and click on it. This section controls the regional and currency settings for your entire store, which is essential for setting up alternative payment methods. Scroll down until you locate the currency section. Within this section, look for the link labeled Go to Multi-Currency and click on it. This feature allows your site to handle multiple forms of currency, which is exactly what you need when accepting cryptocurrency payments alongside traditional methods. Under the multi-currency settings page, look for the Connect Payment Provider link and click on it. You'll now be directed to the Accept Payments section. From here, click on View All Providers, which you'll find on the top right part of your screen. This expands the list of available payment options beyond the standard credit card processors. Once clicked, you'll see a new option added called Manual Payments. This payment type is perfect for accepting other forms of payment, including cryptocurrency. Click on the Connect button on its right side to begin setting it up. Under the Manual Payment Setup page, you can add the instruction and your crypto wallet address in the description field. This is where you'll provide your customers with clear instructions on how to send you cryptocurrency. Include details like which cryptocurrencies you accept, your wallet address, and any specific payment instructions they need to follow. Once you've added all the necessary information, simply click on Connect, and that's it. You've successfully enabled cryptocurrency as a payment method on your Wix site. Your customers now have the flexibility to pay using digital currencies, which can help you reach a broader audience. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.